sometimes you gotta pray for a victory. Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel and to this week's weekly visuals. Now, first things first, I want to start by just thanking you guys for all the incredible support on the previous video, all the kind words on the move, the kind words on the drop, and yeah, just all the support has literally been incredible. Now, if you did watch that previous video, you'll recall me talking about us kind of building our own little coffee station or coffee bar. Well, I think that is what we're going to start with this week. So this is actually the area where we're going to be building the coffee station. Now, what I will say is it is a lot bigger in person than what it kind of looks on camera. But yeah, at the moment, you guys would have just seen, we're currently making our coffee, or the kind of coffee machine currently lives just on the kitchen kind of worktop. And that's not where we want it. We want a dedicated space to make the coffee. But yeah, guys, that is the main objective for today. We're gonna head to IKEA, see what we can find. And let's face it, we're probably gonna end up coming back with a load of other stuff as well. So yeah, we got a long day ahead. Actually, before we go, let's do a quick old school outfit breakdown because I feel like it has been a while. Now, as always, I will link all these pieces in the description down below. But yeah, legwear, we have the blue wash wide leg denim jeans, which are from M&S. On top, we have, I think this is called the like extra fine merino wool knit from Uniqlo. It's super lightweight, so perfect for this kind of in-between weather. The bag is the crossbody bag that I shown you guys in last week's video. This is from Arket, and then just the kind of standard Birkenstock Bostons on foot. But yeah, like I said before, everything will be linked in the description down below. Now, let's head to IKEA. Okay guys, so coffee station kind of complete. I have added the picture behind just to fill out the space a little bit. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you think I should keep that there. But when I say kind of complete, it's obviously still a little bit bare. So I think we need to fill this station out. I think we're going to head into town, hopefully find some new coffee mugs, not to replace these, but just to add to them. So we've got a bit more of a selection. And then obviously there's literally nothing on this bottom shelf here. So I want to try and find some kind of storage containers that have maybe got like a little bit of a pop of color just to add to this bottom shelf. I'm not too sure what we'll fill those containers with. But yeah, coffee mugs, storage containers, and I think we'll be pretty much good to go. Oh, okay guys, so as you can see, back from town, picked up a couple of things, so I thought we'd kind of quickly unbox them and show you guys. Now these are pieces just to, like I said before, start filling out the coffee station. Now, the main thing that I did want is something for the bottom shelf, and we popped into End and managed to pick up this beauty. Now this is just a foldable, kind of stackable storage container from Hay, and I absolutely love it. It's literally exactly what I was looking for, and I really like that kind of subtle pop of color as well. So yeah, picked up the storage container from Hay. I will link everything in the description down below. And we picked up a few new magazines. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of addicted to this open house.
Sometimes you gotta pray for a victory. Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been tested so much, all these restless nights, all these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory.
Good morning guys. So we're starting the day off in the studio because I'm really trying to get ahead when it comes to kind of working on new drops and designing new pieces. Yeah, I'm really trying to get ahead of schedule on this. So we're spending the day in the studio, and as well as that, I have said this in previous vlogs, but I really want to start kind of including a lot more of this and showcasing a lot more behind the scenes of running the brand, running Studio Du Jour on these vlogs. So yeah, I really am working hard to include a lot more of this side of my life in these videos. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if that is something that you guys want me to kind of continue doing. I actually think that we're going to the factory next week. And if we are, I'm obviously going to showcase and document all of that and bring you guys along just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like behind the scenes in an actual factory. So yeah, that is something that might happen in next week's vlog. But as of right now, I need your help because I've got some leftover fabric from quite an old drop, and I need your help to decide on what I should produce with it. Now, depending on how long you guys have actually been following me or the brand, you may or may not remember this fabric, or at least this color. Now, I think it was about 2 years ago, we dropped a collection using this color. It is a solid forest green. I think we dropped hoodies, sweatshirts, sweatpants, and shorts, I believe. Long story short, we've literally got 2 rolls of this fabric just sat here, and it's just like wasted money. It's just been sat in the other studio for as long as I've been here. So yeah, I want to use this up. I want to create a product out of this fabric, and that is where I need your help. Now, one thing to note is there actually isn't any rib left, which is partly the reason as to why it's just been kind of sat there. So I couldn't make like a hoodie or a sweatshirt because you need the ribbon. On sweatshirts, you need the ribbon for the neckline. Obviously the waistband is ribbon. So yeah, we don't have any ribbon left over. There's literally just this fabric. So I could create some shorts, I could create sweatpants. But yeah, I want you guys to let me know in the comments down below, one, what you think of this color. Should I bring it back? And two, if so, what product would you like to see? Summer's around the corner. Maybe we work on a new shape of shorts. Let me know.
I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best and my worst days. Proud of all my feet when I touch the ground. Front of 8 at Beijing, man, ain't know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics.
So guys, the next big update is regarding the t-shirts. And honestly, the t-shirts have been a huge priority for me recently because it's another item that hasn't been in stock for 2 years now. They weren't in stock last summer. The summer before was when we last dropped them. So 2 years since we've had t-shirts is crazy. Brand new silhouettes, new fits, heavyweight 300 GSM single jersey. I can't wait to show you guys some samples. That's literally what I'm heading out to my factory for next week in London. So hopefully you guys will see some updated silhouettes. But as you can see, not only am I working on just standard kind of black, white and grey, I'm also going to introduce some colours as well, some different colour options, some nice washes, and I'm also working on some new graphics as well. So yeah, big updates incoming when it comes to t-shirts. They're on the way and they are going to be what is dropping next. So definitely stay tuned for them. Good morning, you lot. Happy Saturday. If you are actually watching this the day it goes live on Sunday, fingers crossed it goes live tomorrow. I managed to get it edited. But if I do, if you are watching this the day it goes live, then for me, it's currently yesterday. So yeah, super last minute, but it's Saturday. I can't lie. It's a bit of a gloomy, grey, rainy day here in Manchester. So I think today we're going to have a big apartment reset. With me obviously being a content creator and mainly working from home. Obviously I do have my studios as well with the brand, but for the content side of things, I work from home, and with that comes a little bit of a messy place. Not dirty, but just messy. So yeah, today we're going to have a big spring clean. And yeah, I guess go into the week feeling refreshed, motivated, and good to go. So that's what we're going to do today. Big spring clean. First, I'm going to finish this cup of tea, try and wake myself up, and then we'll get cracking. Okay guys, it's safe to say that took a hell of a lot longer than I anticipated, and I haven't managed to finish. Kara's just on her way home from work, so we're going to finish off the bathroom and second bedroom maybe in next week's vlog, but yeah, haven't managed to quite get that done today. But the kitchen, the living space, the kind of dining space, and our bedroom looks perfect. But yeah guys, that is going to be it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button, hit subscribe if you do, drop a comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you lot in next week's vlog, because there is going to be one. See you then.